Hello everyone. Hi, today we are going to discuss about you only. You. What is this? Yes. What are you doing your work? Yes, every day you are doing your work? No. Mummy is helping us and everything. So some works we are doing. What about your homeworks? Are you doing your homeworks yourself or mummy is helping? Yes, but maximum you are doing your work, right? So here about that only, that is everyone does his work. So whatever the work we have, that we should do. So in the nature, everything that is doing that work, okay, everyone. So whatever they have the work that they are doing. But what about us? How we are? So here who are doing their own works, that we can see in this poem. Everyone does his work. His means not of any one person. He does his work, she does her work, it does its work, so nature does its work. Okay, like that we should see here. This poem tells us about that everything and everyone in nature does his work properly and accurately. In the proper way they are doing, but only human beings are not doing their work properly, remaining all doing their work very properly. So that we should say in this. So first one, see here, yes, the cock is crowing and the stream is flowing, the small birds twitter, the lake doth glitter, the green fields sleeps in the sun, the oldest and the youngest are at work with the strongest. So see this, the cock is crowing, cock gives, cock hen you know, yes, cock is crowing means cock makes the sound na kokoroko, like that. Yes, that is crowing. Cock is crowing. Yes, it is giving its sound according to that. Yes, this is a morning session. Nowadays we have alarm clocks like this. Once upon a time do we have clocks? No. Whenever the cock crows, then immediately people got up and they started to do the work. It's a time to sundown, so we should do the work like that. They thought. So that in those days, olden days, cock was the timer actually. So the cock is crowing. The stream is flowing. The stream is flowing. Yes, the water stream it flows. It stops. No, the water is there means always it flows only to the down areas, right? Yes, the cock it is doing its work and the stream, water is also it's doing work. The small birds twitter. Twitter means, yes, all of you know the Twitter app one. Yes, two birds are there, right? So whenever the message we get, sound also we get, right? So Twitter means small birds sound. Okay, so the small birds Twitter means give sound. The lake doth glitter. So the lake do glitter. Glittering means it's shine with bright light. So lake also, sunrise when the reflect or else moon water light reflect, yes, it's a very shiny silvery, right? So the lake also is doing its work, giving the shining. And so the green field sleeps in the sun, the oldest and the youngest are at work with the strongest. So the green fields, yes, greenery fields, all the fields are asleep in the sun. Yes, they are doing their work. Whenever the sun is there, so whatever they can do the work that they are doing. And the oldest and the youngest are at work with the strongest. Yes, anyone, old or young, everyone with a strong feeling, strongest, they are doing their work and are at work with strongest. The cattle are grazing, their heads never raising. They are 40 feeding like one, like an army defeated. The snow hath retreated, and new dearth fare ill. On the top of the bare hill, the plough boy is whooping. So see that, and the cattle are grazing. Grazing means eating the grass. So the cattle, what are they doing? Yes, they are grazing. They are eating the grass. Their heads are never raising. So while eating grass means always they bend their heads. So now whether they raise it? No, they never raising. There are 40 feeding like one. So there are 40, almost many are there, feeding like one. Everyone, every cow it is doing, it is eating only. Cattle, everyone, 40 almost, everyone, all cattle they are eating. So then all are like one only. And like an army defeated. So like an army defeated. So defeated means having beaten. So won that in the battle. So that's, they did some war and in that they won it like that. They are, and the snow hath retreated. So in the night time snow drops are there on the grass. But when these cattle are eating, what it happened? Can it protect? No. So it defeated. That is retreated. Retreated means stop fighting against, stop doing war against these cattle. So if it, no, I can't, I should be like this, like that, can they fight with the cattle? No. The water snow drops are there also, the cattle start to eat. So can it fight with the cattle? No. It is also retreated, stopped. So defeat with the, after defeating, kept quiet. And new doth fare ill. So new doth do fare ill. So on the top of the bare hill. So new all does their work on the top of the bare hill. So that is on the hill, that is the top of the hill, that is a bare, and everyone they are doing their work. And the plough boy is whooping. The plough boy is whooping. Whooping means calf getting trying to clear our throat like that, na? So that the plough boy is whooping. There's joy in the mountains. Yes, mountains are very pleasant. So there's joy in the mountains. There's life in the fountains. So there's life in the fountains. Small clouds are sailing, blue sky prevailing, and the rain is over and gone. So the lives in the fountains, yes, very beautiful life there in the fountains. Some clouds are sailing, yes, float, that is a move on. Yes, in the sky the clouds are moving, yes, and blue sky prevailing, blue sky prevail, that is completely spread over, right? Total sky is blue, completely it is. And the rain is over and gone. So the rain is also, yes, how much it is that completed, it's over and it is also gone. So everyone they are doing their work, all the things. So they in the nature, everyone they are doing their work, right? So that is everyone does his work. Okay. Yes, let's see the vocabulary part in this, that is crowing. So we have completed the poem. In there some words, meanings we have learned, but more we should learn, that is crowing. Crowing means what is that? Uttered loud cry of a cock. So loud sound is called crowing. There is especially a cock. A cock makes the sound, that is crowing. Twitter. Twitter means give a call or sound. Twitter, birds sound we call it. Give a call or sound. And dearth. Dearth means it's a dew. Dew. Glitter. Glitter means shine with a bright light. Glittering we call it. That is means shining. Shine with a bright light. And the next one, defeated. Defeated means having been beaten in a battle. Having been beaten in a battle. So in the battle, if we beat them, that is defeated. So one in that. And hath means have. And retreat means withdrawn from enemy forces after a defeat. So first we fight it, but later the enemy forces march means yes, we withdraw it. Yes, I can't fight. Like the snowdrops also retreated. That is they can't fight with the cattle and all this. That is called retreated. So these are the meanings we have. And next we have very interesting grammar topic. So then we can see the grammar topic. Yes, see children. So here we have in this poem grammar topic we have idioms. Idioms. What are these idioms? Have you heard about this any time? But most of the times we are using in our language, I mean what we are talking at the time, idioms. So what is this idiom? Idiom means The meaning of the words cannot be predicted. Predicted means we cannot guess it. With the direct words. So what we have used in that, with the direct meaning, one we get it, but that is not the meaning. So some different meaning is there. Some different meaning is there. So that is called idiom. That is called idiom. So by seeing that word, one meaning we get it, but the inside some another meanings are there. Another meanings are there. So like that we can use it. So suppose here one example I am giving. So I go for walks once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Suppose if I give it, I go for walk. Okay. Once in a blue moon. What is this? Once in a blue moon. Blue moon. Yes, moon looks white, right? Silver color like that. But what is this blue moon? And once in blue moon. Do we get blue color moon once? No. So once in blue moon means it's a very rare. Very rare. So the textbook example they have given this one, that's why I gave. That is once in a blue moon means it's a very rare. Okay. So like this, when we see that is very different one meaning we get, but when we go to in that different meaning we get it. So I go for walk, very rare. That we call it once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Okay. And suppose if I give one more, that is hot cake. Hot cake. So we have cakes, very cool pastries we know, and normal cakes we know. Hot cake means, yes, when we prepare immediately hot one, can we eat? No. So what is this hot cake? Hot cake means, so to sell it sold out very fast. Very fast. So that is called hot cakes. So within a short time, anything it may be. So to sell it very fast, that is called hot cake. That is called hot cake. Okay. So anything if we get it, that should be sold out very fast. Okay. What can we write? Suppose bread is a hot cake in the bakery. Okay, your wish. Any other puffs like that. So whenever they keep it, within short time, within half an hour or 1 hour, immediately sold out. Like that, if it is happened, that we call it hot cake. So bread is a hot cake in bakery. So in that bakery, whenever they prepare, within half an hour, within 1 hour, yes, no stock. Like that they give it. That is called hot cake. That is called hot cake. Suppose movie tickets are hot cakes on the first day of release, right? When the movie released first day, do we get the hot tickets immediately? No, within short time, immediately book it, right? So like that, within short time sold out, that is called hot cake. Like that, hot potato is there, and as full as cucumber. Yes, so many are there. So let's see some examples they have given here. We can learn this. So complete the idioms from the words given in the box. So they have given some clue words they have given. So we should complete them by using the clues. What are those? Leg. So no gain, coat, spilled, milk, together. So like this they have given. So 6 words, but here 5 sentences they have given. See that. No pain, no pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. What's the meaning of that? No pain, no gain. Suppose that is, if you do any work, then the result you will get. If we don't do any work, do we get any result? Nothing get. If you don't do any work, that is a no pain. Nothing you get it. If you do something, yes, in result something definitely you get it. Okay, and don't cry over, yes, spilt milk. Here two combined we should write. Don't cry over spilt milk. So spilt milk, don't cry over spilt milk means whatever the work that we have done, it's a done. So now if we think about it, do we get it back? No. So now if we think about it, if worried about, no use at all. That is called don't cry over spilled milk. No need to worry after completion of that. So whatever the work that it is done. Yes, pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. So that you should encourage yourself. Okay, and pull someone's leg. Pull someone's leg. So pull someone's leg means here not to drag them with their legs. That is, pull someone's leg means tease them, or else where you funnily you create comment them. That is called pull someone's leg. And the last one is the ball is in your, yes, where is it? Yes, now the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. That means I am playing football. That's why the ball is in my court. Like that do we feel? No, the ball is in your court means the work is in your hand. The decision is in your hand. So the work is in your hand. So whatever it is, the choice is yours now. The choice is in your hand. So now it's your turn. Now it is your turn. So like that, any meaning we can take. The ball is in your court. Okay. So let's see the next match the following. Yes, see children. So here match the idioms with its real like meaning. So with the suitable, almost like the meaning it is. So with that we should suitable whatever it is we should give it. So see the first one. Please give me hand. So please give me hand means what's the meaning of here? Not to give the hand. So that is to please help me. Please give me hand means please help me. So where do we have please help me? See there? Yes, see. So please give me hand means please help me. In that meaning, please give me hand we can ask. And I am in a pickle. I am in a pickle. Pickle means what is that? Yes, that's a very hot, right? So I am in a pickle means that we should write I am in a troublesome. I am in a troublesome. And I have butterflies in my stomach. I have butterflies in my stomach. What is that? So butterflies in my stomach means I feel very nervous, some fear. So that's why I have butterflies in my stomach. That is, I am nervous. And that's a piece of cake. That's a piece of cake. Piece of cake means a small piece of cake, right? But a piece of cake means very easy. So that's a very piece of cake to me. That means that's a very easy to me. Okay, so that's a piece of cake means we should go for, yes, something that is very easy to do, that is a piece of cake. And next one, I am on the top of the world. I am on the top of the world. That means you are on the top of the world. No, feel very happy. On a cloud nine or at the top of the world, both are idioms. That is for, yes, that we are on the, when we are very happy, that we can say, instead of just happy, we can say I am top of the world. I am on a cloud nine. Like that we can write it when we are very happy. Okay. So these are the meanings for the idioms. How we can use it. Okay. So these are the topics we have in this poem. Everyone does his work. So next we can see in the next lesson.